calling out just to say that they heard me. Shirley, Bernie, Crab Blunt Surgeon, Cashwood General reporting for service. Everyday learning, still never perfect. Razor on me, no weapons on my person. Pay me for a verse, now they think they got a purpose. Couldn't get it free, please don't call it working. Speaking on me, think it's funny, keep talking. I do this for me, you just do it for some Starship. Reaching for reasons to keep with your breathing. Couple comments and some views, now you cheesing. Hope you go far with this shit, please believe me. And then you'll realize that the goals are deceiving. Think that you know what you gon' be receiving. Redeeming the ticket to the life how you dreamed it. Sitting just me and no ID, no money, no hope. Not a wish inside me. The sky far down to earth. No. I submerge in the shadow and I never show up. I don't live, I don't die, I don't ever grow up. I just am like the willow I stand under. Some years later in abandoned wetlands, came across a beam, now I asked for a chance. Show me how it ends for the one who I am. Every second lived in a 3-second span. Blink disappeared, now alone I stand.
I worship devil shit, therefore them demons creep my mind. Angels try to speak to me, but being godly ain't my kind. Paranoid delusions got me spooked, that's why I keep that tone. Constantly I have visions of some shit I'm knowing don't belong. Deadly sense insert my nose, but there's no corpses in this bitch. Voices from behind the wall fulfills my mind with wickedness. Footsteps from throughout my house when everyone is sound asleep. Hearing knocks on my door, so I cocked a pistol quietly. Then once I approach the door, the noise I'm hearing suddenly stops. Set the time to 3:15, but now it's screaming 6 o'clock. Just before I go to bed, I check around the house for spots. In the middle of the night, up on my wall, the devil lies.
Think of some quick.
What the fuck can I do? Devil shit got me spooked. How can I get away? Angels, they tell me to keep saying out. My head speak not unto the dead, but when I turn to the right side, the demon said, take care of your business, man. Stay making bloody stains. I already remember to load up that plastic time. If you get in, just throw up your devil sound. Why do strange buzzes too fuck with crazy's mind?
I always feel like someone's watching over me, performing the autopsy from a killer's blood who worships thee. Brought up in a turbo full of hell is where my mind is at. Blowing evil dope until the devil led me to that pack. Quickly I destroyed this bitch, then tempted the unholy one. Now the Lord is calling me to worship the begotten Son. Should I go before my God and ask him to forgive my sins? Should I worship devil shit then burn eternally again? Now I'm thinking suicide will lead me to this deadly choice. Sabbath days, not evil ways of crucifix with no remorse. Can't you hear it in my voice? This shit will never disappear. Someone call Houdini the Great to give my evil less a cure. Grabbing my sword, I'm like stinging these busters who wish I would approach my damn evilness, if I may say so myself. Devil shit, crucifix, satanic rituals, magic of blackness that worships the death. Real rum is murder and murder is dead. Don't force me to quickly break out with the 9 visions of demons that flow through my head and angels that constantly fuck with my mind. LILCOE stands for child OFEVIL. Devil shit, this won't prevail, so I guess I'll burn in hell. Satan cannot hold me, man, I'll buck his bust the whole ass down. Quickly I pull off that dope, then hit this bitch without a frown. Now I falling deep into a trance that I just can't reverse. Look into my deadly eyes, somehow don't you feel your curse? Popping this glass of them hard at your ass, you would think I was having a fit from my grip, but there's so many bullets and stirred this law that you die from an overdose on hollow tips.
Shaking and breaking from all of this shit going on in my head. I can't help that I'm scared of the evil that led me to walk through the valley with my infrared, so I watch my back, cause I'm down with a motherfucking jack. Never creep on a killer who's likely to drill a damn hole through your eye that be forcing a cataract. Devil shit makes me skin lace, I can't fuck with this feeling. It got me visualizing demonic mouth that torture my memory. Wants me to go insane and rat-a-tat-tat on a bitch. Engine number 9, aiming at your fucking spine. Hey, you bust up, kick the ground with my pistol, get the fine, get the bed. Or your head, leave you dead, that my time. Gotta get away from all these demons fucking with my mind.
16, bad fucking up the decor. I'm useless, I guess I'm just naturally tweaked. It runs in my blood, or I just stay asleep. Up on shoulders with the academic types and the low lies and all the other different types of people in between. I get boulders and crush them with my bare eyes are hide under the road till it's not nice. Cause I don't wanna be seen. Locking doors on me, so I turn to a fiend. That's fine. I got laundry outside that might blow way out of spite. I got laundry that we stay in cause we stay inside. Need those track pants, they fit just X out of size. I'll be honest, that big purchase on this fabric didn't hit this time. I don't wanna promise, but I wanna say that I can mend my life. Just one more flight, just one more flight, just one more flight. How they thought I was giving up, I ain't giving up. Niggas gotta keep on moving. I might fuck around and lose it. How they still doing bad is confusing. They was talking down and I knew it. I ain't tripping, bitch, I'm still getting to it. I'm the type to pay attention to the movements. I knew a lot, niggas thought that I was clueless. You should make moves, not excuses. If it's real, then you shouldn't have to prove it. I'm the nigga that they try and get in tune with. I was on hots, they was trying to tell me cool it. I was putting pain, they was snoozing. I put my pain in this music. Bitch, I'm not trying to link like Cuban. Made myself clear, I ain't stuttered like Ruben. What? And I'm feeling good. They know that shit hit every time it's feeling good. I don't wish for much, but I wish a nigga would. And I'm doing shit that these niggas wish they could. This shit for the books. Shut it up, bitch, let that man cook. You don't know that half, you don't know how long it took. You don't get it, but I thought you understood. What? They said I was chosen. Same nigga that they said I had no motion. It took a minute, but we got this shit going. I just told the gang stay focused. Poker face, I ain't showing no emotion. How you ain't stick to the cold, niggas bogus. Wait, this shit get deep like ocean. It's a cold world like it's snowing. How they thought I was giving up, I ain't giving up. Niggas gotta keep on moving. I might fuck around and lose it. How they still doing bad is confusing. They was talking down and I knew it. I ain't tripping, bitch, I'm still getting to it. I'm the type to pay attention to the movements. I knew a lot, niggas thought that I was clueless. You should make moves, not excuses. If it's real, then you shouldn't have to prove it. I'm the nigga that they try and get in tune with. I was on hots, they was trying to tell me cool it. I was putting pain, they was snoozing. I put my pain in this music. Bitch, I'm not trying to link like Cuban. Made myself clear, I ain't stuttered like Ruben.
You make me wanna eat you. Every time I see you, it's like the first time I meet you. Fragrance like a flower, subtle and sweet too. Seductive and whatever, it might as well be see-through. Like my genie in a bottle. Bitch can get me rich, look like a magazine model. Before you know it, he have her on a stroll. Fresh and ripe, complexion like Acapulco gold. If I had to guess just right, not a day old. Like a cradle robber, copter off shop, a trailer load. Know the right number, you could get her. And hit it while you with her, sold to the highest bidder. Like fruits and berries, bring daddy loot in a hurry. Just be cute and don't worry. Type to make a nigga hallucinate and admit it. Then she started losing weight, letting everybody hit it.
Jezebel wasn't born with a silver spoon in her mouth. She probably had less than every one of us. Jezebel wasn't born with a silver spoon in her mouth. She probably had less than every one of us. One of us.
Unlike Allie, sometimes she get bitter. Always kept me happy, never had a problem with her. She used to let me use her back when I was looser. Respect her to this day and never did abuse her. I told her I'll be faithful, but she don't believe me. I probably could have been if I never met Evie. She make me feel all fuzzy inside, it's loco. You won't get nowhere near her if you're broke though. Kept a shorty mad, finding much thinner. If caught, I get mad time just for touching her. Knock wood, so much for Hymens. So fly, she should be in the sky with diamonds. Little young thing, she like to do the tongue thing. At times, she would play hard to get, fronting or something. She made me feel like the #1 king. Run into her now, and we'll still catch a fun fling.
Jezebel wasn't born with a silver spoon in her mouth. She probably had less than every one of us. Jezebel wasn't born with a silver spoon in her mouth. She probably had less than every one of us. One of us.
Met her out in Central Park, that's one sign. Had the guard mentally spark, reflecting sunshine. She said you need to stop messing with that white girl. She fucking with your head and got your heart in a tight curl. We messed around once or twice, but she don't know me. She helped me get money at the Dunce Price OT. Plus she from Colombia, so she really Spanish. Cookie known to make a cat bank account vanish. And Miss Hazy, older woman, mature black. Every time she sees me, I end up getting towed back. All she want me to do is blaze it crazy. The only one complaint is that she make me too lazy. Sugar mommy laced me with the butter navy heavy. Just her way to make up for the headaches that she gave me. It's all gravy when I'm done getting my Mac on. Allie is always there to help me get back on.
Jezebel wasn't born with a silver spoon in her mouth. She probably had
Favorite ladies.
less than every one of us. Jezebel wasn't born with a silver spoon in her mouth. She probably had less than every one of us. One of us. Jezebel wasn't born with a silver spoon in her mouth. She probably had less than every one of us. One of us.
Baby, hop in the car, rent a Starship. Baby nibbles off a little pill, no risk. Not ladylike, pulling out my dick like this. Look at you, sucking on that shit in the whip. Look at you, sucking on that shit in the whip. Look at you, sucking on that shit in the whip. Baby, yeah, I gotta say I like it like this. Leaves in the wind, rain in the mist. It's fucked up how you make me feel a real trip. Lucky eye, pretty lies, renting Starship. Freckle face, thick bone, black eye star. Real good taste, get her real far. And bummy ass, local dick, guess no love. And small town shady hoes get no trust. She don't give a shit and I don't give a fuck. She don't give a shit and I don't give a fuck. You a real dick rider, thank fuck. I'm gon' give it to you face down, ass up. I'm gon' give it to you face down, ass up. Baby, hey, I gotta say I like her like this. Leaves in the wind, rain in the mist. It's fucked up how you make me feel a real trip. Lucky eye, pretty lies, renting Starship.
J'aime ce que ça fait.
Lucky eye, pretty lies, renting Starship. I said I'm gon' fuck you in the car to the club.
Un monde merveilleux. Je pourrais rencontrer quelqu'un comme toi que dans un rêve. Je pourrais rencontrer quelqu'un comme toi que dans un rêve.
Too much glare, I can see my screen. Too much dirt, I just lost my sheen. Too little purpose and it fell on me. Pitch black me, 2023. Jack the corner, somebody stop me. Could you picture me? Me. Refuse to blink, forget to believe. Oh wait, the fall's on me. Or I could pay the price and take a drastic measure. Pop another just to keep us tethered. Or you could break your neck and forget about weather. Or not. Put it all that I got. Nothing is gain if it all isn't lost. Not a while getting tossed in a pop bottle up. Just to throw out all my feelings cause I've been feeling off. You don't need to know what I'm on, so just know that I'm on it. In my brain always a battle, feeling stuck in a gauntlet. I'm awake but unconscious, sit and wait with the conscious. I'll wait for the consequences, moving in caution. Too much glare, I can see my screen. Too much dirt, I just lost my sheen. Too little purpose and it fell on me. Pitch black me, 2023. Jack the corner, somebody stop me. Could you picture me? Me. Refuse to blink, forget to believe. Oh wait, the fall's on me. Or I could pay the price and take a drastic measure. Pop another just to keep us tethered. Or you could break your neck and forget about weather.